Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. A group chat in Messenger means multiple people in one conversation, so you can all talk together. It's super useful if you've got a community or a group of friends. So open up Messenger and click on the new chat button in the top right on the chats page. Now go and select the first person you want to add to the group chat. It doesn't matter who. I'll select this person here. After you've selected them, then go to the top right again and you'll see a plus button below the call. So click there and you can then go select more people to add to the group chat. Keep on clicking that button until you've added everybody you want to, and then you can go and send a message to create the group chat, like so. Now, if I come back to my chats, you can go and see it there. So that's basically how you can create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.